Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Pokemon Go and you click. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your